Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to customize Shopify pages. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to admin it. So first of all, open your admin panel and go to online store and click on customize, and now select that page which one you want to customize. And after selecting the page, from this left hand menu you can easily change anything. You can change header image, logo, you can change the text, so from here you can easily customize your Shopify pages. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to admin it. Thank you for watching.